Welcome to Ngobothente Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Aitada. This is Ngobothente Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium, Orlando Pirates for St. Eloi Popo 5. Brother, how's it?
Shukran man mnan.
Grand thanks, man. We are why coming up?
Na ngiqola face mbe Gomora Alex.
Alex,
Yeah.
how do you feel about the game after?
Face khona ukuhlunga khulumeke man. Mara amajita adlalile nje yami. No one to blame. They are fighting. Cabanga mfethu from 3-0 to 3-3. Hayi adlalile amajita angikhali nganext ama penalty noma ubani vele awageja ama penalty so you can't blame anyone there.
Yini maybe ocabanga ukuthi maybe coach bekumele ayenze ukuze awine namhlanje?
Njami ngikhala ngombatha man.
Umbatha.
Angazi khambani ngombatha. Angali ba blind abo netamtshela abo banibani dane. Marumbatha mfethu yafuneka ngala. And then mahope asazi ukwenzakaleni ngoba bekadlalile last game asimbona even nasebenchini bekangekho asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani but abantu abafana nomahope bafuneka kuma game afana nalawa ngithola njalo.
Siyabonga but hard luck for today. But all the best in future.
Siyabonga.
Thank you. Hola.